Hello there, dear viewers. Stephen Fry here, ready to guide you through the magical realm of artificial intelligence. Now, don't be frightened. AI isn't all killer robots and world domination. It's actually quite friendly, like a well-mannered butler who swallowed an encyclopedia. Today, we're focusing on a particular AI called ChatGPT. It's a chatbot, but don't let that fool you. It's not your average "have you tried turning it off and on again" a type of bot. ChatGPT can write essays, solve math problems, and even attempt jokes. ChatGPT is part of a family called Generative A. These AIs can create new content, be it text, images, or even music. But here's the catch: ChatGPT is only as good as the instructions you give it. It's like having a very literal-minded genie. You need to be careful what you wish for. You might end up with a 5,000-word essay on the mating habits of sea cucumbers when all you wanted was a quick summary of marine biology. Let's talk about prompts. In AI, a prompt is the instruction or question you give. It's like casting a spell to summon the AI's magic. But shouting "expecto patronum" at ChatGPT won't work. Prompt engineering is crafting instructions for the best results. It's like directing a talented but literal actor. Be clear, specific, and sometimes creative. Like ordering at a restaurant, specifics matter. The better your prompt, the better the output. Now, let's look at what happens when prompts go wrong. It's a bit like watching a comedy of errors, except you're the one writing the script. Let's say you're writing a research paper on climate change. You might be tempted to type something like this into ChatGPT. "Tell me about climate change." Seems straightforward, doesn't it? But oh, my dear friends, this is a recipe for disaster. This prompt is far too broad. It's like asking a librarian to tell you about books. ChatGPT, bless its silicon heart, will try its best. It might start with a definition of climate change, then move on to causes, effects, historical data, current research, and before you know it, you're drowning in a sea of information. The result? A response that's as long as War and Peace, but not nearly as entertaining. You'll get a bit of everything, but nothing in depth. Section 4, from drab to fab, transforming bad prompts. But fear not, dear viewers, there's hope for our climate change researcher yet. Let's take that dreadful prompt and give it a makeover. Instead of "tell me about climate change," try "provide a summary of the 5 most significant effects of climate change on marine ecosystems, citing recent scientific studies." It's specific, focused, and gives ChatGPT clear parameters. This improved prompt is like a well-tailored suit. The result? A concise, relevant, and up-to-date response. You'll save time and get better information. Section 5, Custom GPTs, the next frontier. Now let's peek into the future, shall we? Imagine if you could create your very own ChatGPT tailored to your specific needs. A personal AI assistant that knows your preferences, understands your industry jargon, and maybe even laughs at your jokes. Well, dear viewers, the future is now. ChatGPT Premium offers a feature called GPT Builder that lets you do just that. It's like having a Build-A-Bear workshop, but instead of stuffed animals, you're creating AI models. With GPT Builder, you can create a custom AI model trained on specific datasets. Want an AI that specializes in 18th century French literature? Done. Need an assistant that understands the intricacies of astrophysics? No problem. Fancy an AI that can mimic the writing style of William Shakespeare? To code or not to code? That is the question. This opens up a world of possibilities. And there you have it, folks. You've taken your first steps into the vast and exciting world of AI and prompt engineering. You're no longer a mere mortal fumbling in the dark with vague prompts. Oh no, you're now a prompt engineer extraordinaire, crafting queries with the precision of a Swiss watchmaker and the creativity of a Shakespearean wordsmith. But don't stop here. This is just the beginning of your journey. Think of this as the first episode in an epic series like Game of Thrones, but with less dragons and more algorithms. In future episodes, we'll delve deeper into the intricacies of AI. We'll explore advanced prompt engineering techniques, uncover the secrets of different AI models, and maybe even teach ChatGPT to tell a decent joke. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to ask AI some truly outrageous questions. Cheerio for now, and happy prompting.